on there.
Let's go.
Playing.
Guys, who want to pick blackberries? Come on.
Every time it jumps, he's sweet. It's so cute.
Make sure he doesn't jump into the water.
No.
Oh, that would be bad.
That would be so sad.
Macaroni a la grasshopper.
That would be so bad. Aww.
Who said that?
Are you scared of it?
Jump on her.
It's
Jump on her.
G-Hop. Look, everybody, it's G-Hop.
It's a grasshopper.
Jump on her nose. Jump on her nose, grasshopper.
Right in her mouth. Only has one leg.
Here.
Does everyone have this?
She's getting rather close to the food.
G-Hop, come this way. G-Hop, come this way. Good G-Hop.
Right in her eye. Right up her nose. Come on, right up her nose.
That would be so bad. Aww. G-Hop. Watch her jump into your guys' like pop.
It's not focusing.
Thank you.
Pull it
I
back.
might have one or two in mine. I don't know.
Where should I put them?
You can see the little antennae.
Like on the ground.